Hey, I'm Lengai Nambua. In this video, I'll be showing you how to derive the quadratic equation into a formula. Now, we know that the quadratic equation we'll be deriving the quadratic equation into a formula, a quadratic formula. Now we know that the quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now we will be using what is the so-called first of all we divide both sides by a so that we can get rid of a, and then it becomes x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals to 0. This c over a, we bring this side, it becomes minus, equals to minus c over a, and another procedure is we add both sides. A half times b over a squared equals to negative c over a plus a half times b over a squared. It becomes x squared plus b over a x plus b times 1b over 2a squared equals to minus c over a plus b squared. 2a times 2a, we get 4a squared. And now the another procedure is you take this and this, you leave the middle one, so it becomes x plus b over 2a. You remove the squares and then you come to put the squares in the bracket, equals to LCM of 4a squared and 4 and a is 4a. 4a divided by a, 4a squared divided by a is 4a, so 4a times negative 4 times negative c, we get minus 4ac plus 4a squared divided by 4a squared, we get 1 times b squared, and after this procedure we square both sides, we square root both sides, so it becomes x plus b over 2a equals to plus or minus the square root of 4a squared is 2a, so it will be better if you change, and it becomes b squared minus 4ac. And then after this, b over 2a, you bring this side and then you minus, so it becomes like this, plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. But we know the LCM of 2a and 2a is 2a, so 2a divided by 2a, 1 times negative b, 2a divided by 2a, 1 times b squared minus 4ac. So after here you have finally derived the quadratic formula, and this is the quadratic formula, which says that x equals to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So this is the general quadratic formula. Thank you for watching.